Alright, good evening everyone. First of all, I'm going to suspend all earthquakes until tomorrow. I will do majors only. I need some time just to quiet down and let my nerves settle. I'll tell you what, when that fence lifted straight up in the air, then dropped right back down with force back into those holes, and then broke both of the poles, snapped them in half and laid it on the ground, I thought, oh my God, you know, I was scared. Anyway, it is now braced. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to show you. We're missing some slats, and he's braced it up with wood and other things there. It's to keep it up. The storm warnings are now gone. They say they will have gusts of 30 miles an hour tonight, and I think that fence will hold the way he's got it braced. If not, well, it doesn't. I am not going to go out there and risk my life again to try to save that fence. No way. Anyway, I want to thank you all for your concern. Sending much love. I'm going to post a picture of it laying on the ground in my community so you guys can see it. And the wind was just awful. I've never, even with the hurricane, the fence never moved the way that fence moved. Alright? But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you all. You be safe out there, okay? Please, God bless each and every one.